How to use the RapidReader app with Staffing OS. From the Staffing OS app, go to the candidate's profile. From here, you can select the Actions dropdown. Under the Actions dropdown, you will see the option to send to RapidReader. Select this option in order to push the candidate's name to the RapidReader app, allowing you to access their profiles to run a drug screen. Now you may open the RapidReader app. In the RapidReader, use the search field to select the candidate profile that was sent from the Staffing OS app by searching their name, ID, or email. Tap on the name card once found. It is important to remember that the candidate profile must be added to the Staffing OS app first and sent to the RapidReader before it becomes searchable on the RapidReader app. Once the candidate profile is selected, the consent form will appear with the consent message for the candidates to review and sign. There are 3 ways to capture a candidate's signature. Option 1, the candidate can sign directly on your touchscreen device. Option number 2, toggle on touchless drug screen. This will display a QR code on your device that the candidate can scan using their own smartphone. They will be directed to a web page where they can read the consent message and sign the form. Once signed, the signature will be displayed in place of the QR code on the consent form on your screen. Option 3, the candidate can sign via email. An email is provided to the candidate with the link that they can access on their smartphone to read the consent message and sign. This link will expire in 4 hours, and once signed, the signature will appear on the consent form on your screen. Depending on your app settings, the option of Verify ID can be visible as well. Use this section to record the candidate's ID. The field can be enabled or disabled in the admin account settings and applied to all users in the organization. Once the consent form is signed, select the Continue button to proceed to the next step, capturing a drug screen. Here, the camera will turn on, and if this is the first time that you're using the app, you'll be prompted to allow for camera access. Select OK to allow. Review the camera tips for how to get the best results when taking a photo by tapping on the information icon at the top right corner. When taking a photo, position the entire front of the cup, panel, or lollipop test so that it is centered within the white outline on screen, filling the outline as much as possible while also maintaining a clear image. Hold your device still when taking a photo. Ensure that the entire background is not busy and that the test device is upright. The entire test device, including the cap, must be within the white outline. The app will automatically take a photo for you when the test device is clear and positioned correctly. If auto capture fails, tap on the camera button to manually take a photo. Auto scanning can be enabled or disabled in your settings. A preview of your photo will be shown with the lot number of the test on screen. Select Continue to use the photo, or to go back and retake the photo, select Retake. The option to confirm the temperature reading of a urine test cup is optional. This feature can be enabled or disabled in your app settings. For a double-sided test, the app will detect and prompt you to take a photo of the other side. Position the other side of your test device inside the white outline and repeat the same steps for taking a photo. Once the image or images of the test device are submitted, the app will use artificial intelligence to detect and interpret the results of the test. The app will display the AI-interpreted results on the test result confirmation page. Here, you can review and make any necessary corrections by tapping on the results to open up the other result options. You can add notes by tapping on the Notes button at the top right corner. Depending on your app settings, other tabs can appear at the top for you to record other types of results. Here you can record results for the temperature reading of urine cups, single drug test strip results, and/or alcohol tests as well. Once you have finished reviewing all results, select Save Results to continue to the next step, the Chain of Custody page. The Chain of Custody page will summarize the results and notes of the test. Your notes from the previous page will appear in the text box, but you can change or add additional notes if needed. If the test was conducted for a specific client, select the Add Client Details button to add the client's name and address to the chain of custody. This is an optional field. Select the reason for testing from the drop-down menu of options under Reason for Test. Select the Other option if you wish to record a reason for testing that was not available on the list. Tap on the Continue button to proceed to the final step, submitting test results. If you need to make changes, tap on the back arrow at the top left corner. If you would like to include additional recipient emails, you can add them using the Enter Email Address field. review the information on screen, and sign in the signature box. After the signature is captured, a PDF of the results called the Chain of Custody or COC form will be created. When the PDF is ready, the PDF icon at the bottom of the screen will appear active. Tap on the PDF icon to preview the form before submitting. When you're ready to submit the test, tap on the Submit button. This will push the Chain of Custody form to the candidate's profile on the Staffing OS app. Once the Chain of Custody has been submitted, return back to the Staffing OS app. Navigate over to the candidate's profile and select Documents. The Chain of Custody document will appear in this tab and can be opened and reviewed by anyone with access to this profile.